solutions of quadratic equation by quadratic formula. Okay, and one famous mathematician whose name is Sridharacharya. Sridharacharya has given this quadratic formula. He was Indian famous mathematician. What is the formula? Let you see. Consider one quadratic equation that we know general form of quadratic equation is, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and a, b and c belongs to any real number. Okay, here we have to find capital D. D shows that discriminant. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Discriminant gives us the nature of the roots. Okay, nature of roots. Okay, and what is the main formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. This is the formula to find root of any quadratic equation, and this is called Sridharacharya formula, or other words quadratic formula also. Okay, it can come in exam like in this way. What is the condition? If b is equal to b square minus 4ac, that we know. If b is greater than or equal to 0, then the quadratic equation ax square bx plus c equal to 0 has two real roots. Let's say two roots are alpha and beta. Okay, then what will be the alpha? Alpha will be minus b plus under root d upon 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus under root d upon 2a. So with the help of this formula, Sridharacharya, you can get easily roots of this quadratic equation. Yes, come on. Exercise 4.3, question number 2. Find the roots of quadratic equations by the method of quadratic formula. Okay, one equation is given to you. First question, first part, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, clearly you can get value of a, b and c. See, what is a? A is your coefficient of x square. See, what is coefficient of x square? It is 2. What is b? Coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus 7. And what is c? C is constant. Constant is what? C. After getting the value of a, b, c, you have to find discriminant. Discriminant, earlier I explained you. What is meaning of discriminant? B square minus 4ac. And one more thing I told you. Discriminant gives us the nature of roots. Okay, come on. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Put value. B is your minus 7. A is 2 and C is 49. 4 to the 8, 8 to the 24. This is your 25. D is coming 25. D is equal to 25. What is the meaning? It is greater than 0. It means equation has real roots. Clear? Now come on. What is the quadratic formula? Quadratic formula is what? Minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. All values we have. See, b is your minus 7. Minus sign is already, and putting value of b is minus 7. Clear? Plus minus under root d. Under root d is what here? 25. So under root 25 upon 2. What is a? A is here 2. Minus minus plus. Under root 25 is 5 upon 4. Okay. Now what to do? You have to find out two roots. We're taking plus sign and minus sign. See here, I am taking plus sign. 7 plus 5 upon 4. 12 upon 4, it is coming 3. If I take minus sign, then 7 minus 5 upon 4. This is 2 upon 4. If I cut 2 and 2 to the 4, this is 1 upon 2. Then 2 roots are 3 and 1 by 2. This is your answer. Yes, the next question is 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. First of all, we have to find value of a, b and c. See here, what is a? A is your coefficient of x square, this is 2. What is b? This is coefficient of x, this is 1. What is c? C is your constant value, this is minus 4. After that, we have to find discriminant to find nature of roots. What is discriminant? B square minus 4ac. Here, b is equal to b square. B is 1 square minus 4, 2 into minus 4. Then d will be 1. Minus and minus become plus. 4 2 are 8, 8 4 are 32. 32 plus 1, 33. So what can I say? 33 is here. It means 33 is your greater than 0. Isn't it? 33 is greater than 0. Then what we can say? The equation has what type of roots? Real roots. Equation has real roots. Now see, if equation has real roots, then we have to apply the quadratic formula. Then what is quadratic formula? Quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. Isn't it? Again I am repeating, see here. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. See here. Same thing I am writing. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. Minus b minus 1 plus minus under root d. D is what? 33 upon 2a. A is what? 2. Minus 1 plus minus under root 33 upon 4. We cannot add or subtract because this is your rational number, but this is irrational number. Okay, then what will be the roots are? Final roots are minus 1 plus under root 33 upon 4. Keep as it is only minus 1 minus 33 upon 4, and this is your answer. 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Clearly you see what is coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is here 4. Coefficient of x is here 4 under root 3. And what is c? C is here 3. Getting? Now find discriminant. Discriminant gives us nature of roots. And what is this discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Here b square minus 4ac. B is equal to b square is what? B is here 4 root 3. This is 4 root 3 square. 4. A is what? 4. And C is what? 3. 4 root 3 square. It means 4 into 4 16 and root 3 square is 3. 16 3s are 48. This is 48. Here minus sign. 4 4 are 16. 16 3s are 48. D is equal to 0 is coming. And D is equal to 0 shows that what shows nature of roots. Okay. The equation has equal roots. If D is equal to 0, then equation has equal roots. And we have to prove that by which formula? By quadratic formula. Who has given? Sridharacharya mathematician has given. And what is the formula? Formula is, tell me, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. I am writing here x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. Put values minus b is what? 4 root 3 plus minus under root 0 upon 2. What is a? A is here 4. Minus 4 root 3. Here 8. Then minus root 3 upon 2. You can cut, no? 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, like this. So x is equal to minus under root 3 upon 2. These are equal roots. Then answer will be, then write roots will be minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. This is the answer. Yes, fourth part is 2x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. Clearly see here a is here 2 because coefficient of x square. Now see coefficient of x is clearly 1 and this is constant is 4. Then I am going to find out its discriminant. Discriminant is yes, you see fourth part 2x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. What is a? A is here 2, clearly 2. Coefficient of x square. What is b? Coefficient of x, nothing is there, it means 1 is there, 1. And c is what? 4. C is 4. And then we have to find the discriminant for getting the nature of roots. See here, b is here 1, 1 square, 4, a is 2, and this is 4. And this is coming 4 4 is 16, 16 2 is 32. This is minus 31. 31. It is coming less than 0. If it is coming less than 0, then we can say the real roots does not exist. What is the nature? Real roots does not exist. This is yes. Question number 3. Find the roots of the following equation. This equation is given to you, but it is not in standard form. What is our first duty? To convert this equation in standard form. X square minus 1 is 3. Then cross multiply. This is the cross multiplication. Now what to do? Send 3x this side. This is minus 3x is equal to 0. Then see a is what here? Coefficient of this x square is a. B is minus 3. Okay, C is your minus 1. After that, you know we have to find out discriminant. Discriminant D. D is equal to what? B square minus 4AC. B is your minus 3 square minus 4. A is 1 and C is your minus 1. Minus 3 square will become 9. 9 is here. Minus minus plus. This is 4. And D is coming 13. And 13 is what? Greater than 0. And greater than 0 shows that the equation has real roots, right? The equation has real roots. If equation has real roots, then we are going to apply quadratic formula, Sridharacharya formula. What is the Sridharacharya formula? Is here x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. Getting? Now see here. Minus b is what? B is what? B is your minus 3. Plus minus b that is under root d that is 13 upon 2. A is what? 1. Then come out minus minus plus plus minus under root 3 13 here. Under root 13 upon 2. Then two roots will be what? One is 3 plus under root 13 upon 2, and second one 3 minus under root 13 upon 2. These are two roots of this following. What is? Yes, come on. The second part is given to you. 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equal to 11 upon 30. You have to solve this. And one more thing. First of all, you have to convert this equation in standard form. How can I convert in standard form? I have to take LCM of LHS. Okay. What is the LCM? X plus 4 into x minus 7. 11 upon 30 is LCM. X plus 4, if you divide it, you will get x minus 7. Minus sign this as it is. If you divide x minus 7, then this to this cut, what is remaining? X plus 4. X plus 4. Okay. Then numerator x minus 7 minus x minus into plus is minus. Okay. This is simple multiplication. X into x, x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28 is equal to 11 upon 30 minus 10 plus this will cut. This is minus 11 here, and this is what? X square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 11 upon 30. Okay, now I am going to cross multiply. Cross multiply 11 into x square minus 3x minus 28, and here minus 11 into 30, this to this cut, and send minus 30 this side. This is 3x minus 28, then minus 30 will come this side, this will be plus 30. Now what is going on? See last, x square minus 3x and plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, then I am going to find out its roots by quadratic formula. Clearly a is coming 1, b is minus 3 and c is 2. A is 1, b is minus 3, b is minus 3 and c is 2. First of all, I will get value of discriminant d. What is the value of d? D is equal to my b square minus 4ac. Okay, capital D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Come on, find out the value. Minus 3 square minus 4a and c. Okay, here 9, here coming minus 8 is coming 1. D value is coming 1. It means this equation has real roots. See here. The equation has real roots. Okay. How can we get roots? We have one formula, Sridharacharya formula. What is Sridharacharya formula? Minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. Okay, what is minus b? B is what? B is your minus 3. Minus already, this is minus 3. Plus minus under root d, d is 1 upon 2. A is again 1. This is your 3. Plus minus under root 1 is 1 upon 2. Then two roots will be 3 plus 1 upon 2. That is 4 upon 2 it is coming to. Okay, and here second one 3 minus 1 upon 2, that is 2 upon 2, it will cut it is 1. Then x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1 are roots of this quadratic equation.